My name is Danny Ramirez, and I'm a fourth semester in the Students Practicum. I felt called to ministry at around 16, and I just kind of hopped on. Highlands College, there are so many different great practicums to choose from, but the one for me, no doubt, was Student Practicum. At around ages 15 to 18 is when most people make their decision for Christ or not. So I think if we can get them there, if we can get them in middle school, in college, when they're still trying to figure out who they are, that's where you really set those roots deep. And we'll do anything from learning how to deal with, case-to-case situations, like pastoral care situations, how to lead a city group, how to plan, right now we're planning a motion night. So we're pretty much doing everything that a youth pastor or student pastor needs to do. So I feel confident when I leave to actually go and build a youth ministry or to lead a youth ministry. So Highlands College has done a great job of equipping us for that. The best way to learn is just by doing it, by getting experience, by getting reps. And that's what Highlands College really provided. We're getting 400 hours of experience, and I feel prepared to go out and lead a youth ministry or build a youth ministry, so I do feel prepared.